homeowners. If you want work done around your house, make sure you get what you pay for. Dateline NBC's Chris Hansen is here with his latest hidden camera investigation. Chris, good morning.
Good morning, Meredith. It's one of the most brazen scams we've ever encountered. A bait-and-switch con that involves dozens of companies, resulting in thousands of consumers being ripped off to the tune of millions of dollars when they're just trying to make sure the air they breathe is clean. This woman reading the newspaper at her dining room table needs her air ducts cleaned. Take a look. They're filthy. So she answered this ad in her local paper promising an air duct cleaning for $49.95. But will the company really do the job for that low price? And what will she get for her money? Here come the technicians.
There's Isaiah. Here he is.
Is our volunteer, and Dateline's hidden cameras are recording everything they're doing. Watch what happens as they go to work. At first, it appears like it's snowing inside. Instead of cleaning the air, they're actually blowing the dirt throughout the house, even around Judy's head. Down in the basement, this technician sprays what he called a soot sealant into the system. But he may not be taking the job all that seriously. He sprays the air around him with noxious fumes that are now seeping throughout the house. Maybe that's because the technicians were supposed to seal Judy's vents. But take a look. Seems like they didn't use enough tape.
Right, yeah, I like my coffee.
Basically, you have some stuff in your lungs that's right now that's probably not too healthy. I bet you feel like you want to hack something up.
Yes.
So what kind of a job did they do? These were her air ducts before. These were the same air ducts after they left. No difference. The technicians charged Judy $470.
Nice.
This is the $49.95 advertised price.
Upsells.
Weeks later, we asked Judy to make another appointment. This time to clean her furnace. And this time, I was there. The same technician shows up again. That's when I head to the basement.
Uh-oh.
How you doing? Good. What's happening? You need to know something. I'm Chris Hansen with Dateline NBC. And there's a camera over there. And there's a camera over there. Okay. While you were doing the work last week, I'd like to show you some of that video. I have it set up right over here. Okay. I showed video of dust flying around Judy's head. What is this flying around here? This is during the last visit. See the dust that's flying around? What is that? Some dust. And why would that be flying around the house? Sean begins to make his exit. Sean,
Yep.
I just want to show you.
Okay. I've got another appointment.
We continued to talk upstairs, and it got even more interesting. We should note that the Better Business Bureau had been investigating that particular company for more than a year. And a few days after we were there, that location was closed. Also, the company we tested, Duckmasters in Hebron, Kentucky, is independently owned and might not be related to other reputable companies that share the same name.
All right, Chris Hansen, thank you very much.